So I hear cases where kids have been removed because of neglect cases, and I am charged with making sure kids are safe, whether they're able to be returned home, that parents do their treatment plans in order to get the kids home, and to make sure that whatever the ultimate outcome is, it's in the children's best interests and their safety is the paramount concern. When you come to this job, you never think you've seen it all. And if you think you've seen it all, you do not pay attention to what you're hearing. Their normal is very different from what our normal would be. And they don't have an opportunity to have regular days. And the regular days are full a lot of times of chaos and pain and heartache, and we have to do what we can to make sure the parents can get themselves back on track and the kids can safely be in their home. Kids have no reason to trust anybody when they're taken out at the time. And if they don't have some consistency and normalcy like the CASAs, they don't have the ability to ever think they can go home again. So we can actually, when you read the court report and the CASA report, you really see what happens from the child's perspective. And that's huge in order to make decisions that really are in their best interests.